It is really honor to having Grace, the overseas sales manager at Baldor, to give us a brief of this exhibition. Hello, Grace. Hello, everyone. This is Grace from Guangdong Baldor-tech Co Limited. Okay, Grace, could you give us a little bit introduction of your company? Sure. Guangdong Baldor-tech Co Limited was first established in 1999. We are a group enterprise included the R&D, sales, production, and IoT system. We are the national high-tech enterprise, the energy-saving compressors engineering center in Guangdong province, and also the intelligent manufacturing demonstration enterprise in Foshan City. We passed ISO 9001 quality management system and also the 14,000 ISO 14,000 environmental management system. Our products included the fixed speed screw compressors, EMVSD compressors, one stage or two stage optional, low pressure compressors, one stage or two stage optional, oil-free compressors, dry type or water lubricating, and also the screw blower, and also the high pressure up to 25 bar integrated compressor with air dryer and filters, especially for the laser cutting machinery. Okay, so I really want to know which kinds of products Baldor will show on this valve. For this exhibition, we bring the Lyra series LS22. It is 22 kilowatts, 8 bar, and also the water lubricating compressors, oil-free type. It is 37 kilowatts, and also the dry type oil-free compressor. It is 132 kilowatts, and also the integrated compressors with air dryer and filters with 25 bar pressure, and also the screw blower. The pressure is from 3 to 12 kilopascal. Okay, so which kind of industry and customers will benefit from your products? And also, could you explain which kind of values can you bring to your customers? Air compressors are the general machinery. Nearly all kinds of industries can find our customers. For example, the cement industry, the textile industry, the glass industry, the electronic industry, home appliances, furniture, pharmaceutical industry, food industry, and etc. We aim to bring energy-saving compressors for our customers. Okay, finally, I think it's really a pity to all of us that our overseas air compressor industry customer, they cannot come here to join us this time. So could you send your blessings to them? We hope all friends and customers be safe and healthy. We believe we can overcome these difficulties and epidemic. Even though we cannot have a face-to-face communication on site, we can meet online. I hope all of you can come to ACI site next year to have face-to-face communication and know our products and culture better. Thank you.